Hello people and welcome to my new video series How to play Project Diva. I will today show you how to simply press the buttons in game and how to hold the controller. Of course I will do later the more interesting tutorials for the hard and extreme players and the added players, of course. So, how to hold the controller. Simple, just how it's most comfortable for you. The only important thing is don't drop your controller. When you play crazy shit and controller drops, not good. You know why. Okay. How to press the buttons. You can use your thumb from the side. You see how I just moved my thumb. Nothing special, very basic way to play. And then there's the other way, which is the whole hand, like this. From the side it looks like that. I try to do it in slow motion because it's too fast. Yeah, super slow. Just kidding. Yeah. That's all about press the buttons. Simple buttons, of course. Then you can also use the D-pad for pressing buttons. So up means triangle. God, my English sucks. Triangle. This is circle. X. Square. So you have both sides for playing. If it's too fast, you can alternate buttons and make it easier or even just not possible. Sometimes it's way too fast for one hand. Yeah. Now I show an example of common buttons to press. First I do just moving the thumb. Now I with the other technique. And now I proved that it works with the left side too. At least the first technique. Because my left hand isn't my dominant hand, I can't do the shaking technique here. Yeah, that's all about how to press the buttons and the holding of the controller. I hope it was understandable. I made many tutorials in past which were in German, and I was too lazy to make English subtitles. So I make it like that. I hope you like it and have a nice day.